This video covers how to use the Work Request module to request funding, prioritize projects, and submit work requests for MHFD to review. All users registered under the same local government will be able to collaborate on a work request board to create and prioritize projects. The 2024 work request boards are populated with the project cards approved on the current work plan with funding in future years. These cards can be distinguished by the approved status label. Projects that are approved on the previous year's work request can be modified during this time. Use the options from the three dots in the top right corner of the card to edit the amount of requested funding. Funds for draft projects in the workspace can be requested in the same way. Amounts can also be updated by dragging and dropping the card to the desired funding year or project type. From the three dots in the top right corner of the card, you can also choose to edit project, which will open the project form, or zoom to the project extent in the map. The order of cards within each column represents the priority of the project for your organization. The first card in each column will have a green border, in the second a yellow, and the third a red. All others will be gray. This visualization helps MHFD managers distinguish each local government's top priority requests when building the work plan. Additional work request board functionality is available in the icon panel in the top right corner of the page. You can copy a shareable link to your work request board. This link will be accessible to other local government Confluence users in your organization. Export a CSV of the projects and funding currently on your work request board. Query projects by status, draft requested or approved, by county or service area. You can view counts and total funding estimates, as well as search for projects by name. The status icon is where you can view the progress of each work request board by project type, save notes, and when ready, submit the projects on all work request boards to MHFD for review. Taking a closer look at the status page, in the column, "Is this board ready for review?" project types can be finalized one at a time. Once all 5 types are switched to yes, your boards will be submitted for MHFD to review. The card status will be updated to requested, and you will no longer be able to make modifications to your project cards or boards. Projects will remain requested and locked until the MHFD work plans have been finalized. Projects that are included on the work plan will have a status of approved, and all others will return to draft. These projects will remain in your workspace so that you can request them again in future years. This has been an overview of submitting work requests in MHFD Confluence.